Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the FunTouch OS 11.0 on top of Android 11. So FunTouch OS 10.5 was the version previously on the Vivo X50, but with the launch of the Vivo V20, Vivo has announced the recent version, that's the FunTouch OS 11.0, and this is on top of Android 11. So this is Vivo's first smartphone with Android 11. So we'll just go to settings and we'll just go to about phone, and you can see that this is a FunTouch OS 11 global variant, and Android version is also Android 11. So you can see here Android 11 out of the box. So this is one of those UIs which is coming with the latest version of Android at launch. Now this also comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. So that's the device aspect. Now let's talk about what are the new features or what the UI changes are with respect to the Android 11 and FunTouch OS 11. So first let's have a look at the notification and quick toggle. So here you can see that nothing much changed with respect to the design. You can see that now it is rounded icons. Apart from that, no major change, and you can see all the options available here. So everything remains the same, and you can also see you can access the settings from here, and you also have the option to edit these toggles. You can just rearrange these toggles, so those things are included here. Now if you go to the main home screen, you can see that it has multiple home screens. Now if you swipe from the bottom, you again get the app drawer. So the app drawer is available on this device. So that has been the case with the FunTouch OS 10.5 on the Vivo X50 as well, but here also you get the app drawer. You also get the search option to search an app. You can see there is a global search as well, so you can literally search anything on the phone with a global search. Then if you go to settings, you can see the newly designed settings panel, and you can see that the icons have also been changed, the font size has been decreased, and overall it is grouped together when compared to the previous version. So we have the Vivo X50 as well with us. So this is the Vivo X50 which has this FunTouch OS 10.5. So we'll just take the settings, about phone, there you go, system management, about phone. You can see this is the FunTouch OS 10.5. Now we have the 11. Now if you look at the settings panel, you can see that this is the settings panel. You can see that now the grouping has been slightly different, and the space between the icons have been also been reduced. As a result, it feels more compressed, while here we had more of a space. Now you also can see that the icons on either side have been changed. We can see the rounded icons here. Now here it's just more or less smaller than the current one. Now if you look at the notification toggles and quick sender, you can also see that this also has been changed. Now this is the Vivo X50. Now this is Vivo V20. Now we are using the default theme on both the devices, so they are the same on both their phones. So again you have the editing options move to the bottom section, so some minor changes here and there. Now if you look at the multitasking option, so you can see that here we don't see much of a change. It's almost the same, so nothing's changed here. Now app drawer, you can see that app drawer is also similar, but here you can see that it's a bit more compact in nature, although you can customize that. By default it is more compact. You can see 5 icons are by default. Here you could see only 4. Again, that is customizable. You can change it from the settings. Now again, going to the settings, you can see that not much of a change in terms of features offered. Features are similar. You get the dynamic effects, display brightness and settings, always on displays there. A lot of animations for the fingerprint scanner and face unlock and all those things. There are animations included. Now storage, all those things remains the same. Now grouping has been changed. Again, about phone was inside system management, but now it's available outside those, and a few changes here and there with respect to the UI. Other than that, more or less similar, and you get the app drawer on both the variants. Now even the desktop or the home screen looks quite similar. Now apart from these, other features include the always on display. Always on display is not a new feature, but that has been improved. You can see if you go to the lock screen, always on display, you can see some options here. There is a preview option. If you want, you can apply these always on display options. Then you can see that display mode, you can see move the phone slightly to display. All those options are there. So some minor changes here and there with respect to always on display. Always on display has also been there on the Vivo X50. So if you are using an older device, these have changed, but if you are already using a FunTouch OS 10.5, Not much of a change with respect to the 10.11 version, except for the icons change and grouping. All those things have been changed, but not a major change though. But if you're using an older version of FunTouch OS, then there has been drastic change with respect to the older version in the FunTouch OS 11. So that is the quick overview of the FunTouch OS 11. Hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.